Today we will discuss about how to set financial goals. So before starting this video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell button for more updates. There are a few points which we will discuss later. If you following these points, you will be able to set your financial goals. So let's get started. So what are financial goals? Define financial goals as specific objective that individual set to achieve financial security and success. These can be short term, mid term, or long term depending on the time frame for achieving them. Next one is why setting financial goals is important. Explain the importance of setting financial goals. They provide direction and motivation, help prioritize spending and saving, and create a roadmap for achieving financial independence. Next one, identify your values and prioritize. Encourage viewers to reflect on their values and prioritize, understanding what matters most, such as family, educational, travel, or retirement, can guide the creation of meaningful financial goals. Make different types of financial goals. Discuss different types of financial goals. First one is short-term goals, achievable within a year. For example, saving for vacations. Mid-term goals, achieving within 1 to 5 years. For example, buying a car. Long-term goals, achieving in 5+ years. For example, retirement saving, buy a house. So next one is use the SMART criteria. Introduce the SMART criteria for setting financial goals. Specific, clearly define the goals. Measurable, established criteria for measuring progress. Achievable, ensure the goal is realistic. And last one is relevant, align the goal with personal values. Write down your goals. Encourage viewers to write down their financial goals. This makes them more tangible and serve as a reminder for what they are working towards. Displaying goal in a visible place can also reinforce commitment. Create an application plan. Guide viewers on how to create an action plan for achieving their goals. This should be include specific steps, timelines, and resources need to reach each goal, breaking larger goals into manageable tasks. The next point is monitor and adjust your goals. Emphasize the importance of regularly reviewing financial goals. Life circumstances may change, so it's essential to adjust goals and action plan according to stay on track. Next one is celebrate your achievement. Encourage viewers to celebrate milestone and achievement along the way. Recognizing progress keep motivation high and reinforce positive financial habits. If you follow all steps, you will be able to achieve your goals. Okay? So thanks for watching.